Why you trying to eat my food? You can go get your own food. I don't want your fingers in my food. I'm a really hungry dude. Promise I'm not trying to be rude. I'm just not.
I had a lot of things to do today, but you know what I did instead? I took a nap. It was a...
Do you have a little pity? Is she really, really pretty? Does she lick you on the face and give you no personal space? Does she look you in the eye when you leave like mama? Why do you have a...
Oh, yeah. Today I don't feel like doing anything.
Need me, but I need to, girl.